Yeah, here I am in Washington, D.C. It's pretty much on lockdown. The city is completely shut down with some people out. I've seen some folks who are just hiking, looking around at the snow totals, like those folks, taking pictures. There have also been some other people who are skiing, doing cross-country skiing. Snow drifts, I've seen just over 14 inches probably. A lot of the streets are being plowed, but still a lot of snow on them. It is dangerous to be out. Don't be out if you don't have to.